Hello everyone, my name is Rodrick and I am the Executive Director of Prison Fellowship Malawi. We are so privileged and grateful to be networking and collaborating with all of you. We are happy to have been a partner of Hands and Hearts for Africa, as well as the Wellington Square congregation since around 2010. And over the years, we have done quite a lot together. We've achieved so much. We've won so many souls to Christ. We've managed to restore thousands of lives through the invaluable work that we accomplish together. Prison Fellowship Malawi is a faith-based non-governmental organization that works and collaborates with the Malawi Prisons Service to primarily work through the Halfway House program, which is the hallmark of our involvement in prison ministry. The Halfway House is a community-based rehabilitation center that receives inmates who are about to be released in society. So we help them to transition towards re-entry through skills training, psychosocial counseling, and most importantly, spiritual discipleship. We facilitate their community re-entry so that they can successfully live law-abiding lives beyond the prison walls. We are happy that with your support, we've managed to reintegrate successfully over 3,000 inmates since 2006. Beyond this program, we are also implementing another discipleship program, which we call the Prisoner's Journey. And this one is a program that is running in 29 prisons across Malawi. It's an 8-week course that invites inmates to reflect on the person and character of Jesus, particularly the last moments where he was wrongfully convicted, tried, and executed. But we invite the inmate to try and dig deeper to personally find out for themselves who Jesus is, why he came, and then at the end of the day to also make informed choices to follow Christ as their personal Lord and Savior. So this is a program that's graduated over 20,000 inmates since 2017. And beyond this program, we are also running another program called The Child's Journey, which is an attempt to restore and rebuild the lives of children and prisoners' families. And presently, we are supporting over 650 children whose parents are inside prison. We seek to ensure that they stay in school, they remain healthy, they are in safe environments, and they are not exposed to unnecessary hazards. To date, we have done so much together. The challenges remain. We look forward into the year 2024 with optimism, and we hope that with your support, we'll be able to carry on with the work that we do. Most importantly, we'll be able to change lives. Wish you all the best, and Merry Christmas. Thank you.